We're going to get started with the basis of the program. As I mentioned, the parts of speech, they're essential to being a good writer. And there are only 8 parts of speech. You already know what they are. You just need to be familiar with them and master them. It's the noun, the verb, the adjective, the adverb. Pronoun, coordinating conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. This is the basis of the writing system in English. You master these, then you would be able to write the sentence structures. Now, there's only 4 sentence structures in the English language: simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. These 2 sentence structures is where we start identifying them as independent clauses or main clauses, and they use subordinating clauses, also known as dependent clauses. So now, all this lingo is going to start making sense to you, and you're going to know how to use them. Once you can do that, then you're going to be on your way to writing a paragraph. A paragraph is nothing more than conveying an idea, stringing sentences together to convey that idea. There's some basic rules you have to follow, but once you know how to use these elements, the creativity of the paragraph is very easy. And I want to show you that when we get to the next video.